Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to demonstrate you the plant leaf disease detection project using convolutional neural network algorithm implemented in Python, which is the deep learning algorithm under the machine learning category, or this project is under AI/ML domain. So here, as far as the plant leaves disease is concerned, it's very much important for farmers to detect the disease occurred on their plant so that they can cure those disease on time, and they can increase the overall production of agriculture. Basically what happens, the farmers generally don't have that much technical knowledge. So the problem is, whenever some disease occurs on the plant leaves, the farmers are not able to detect what kind of disease is that, and due to that they are not able to cure that disease, and because of that, the finally what happens, the overall production of the agricultural product decreases. Now in order to avoid that system, or that particular problem, we are here to promote or they propose an idea where the farmer can upload the leaf or the image of the plant leaf, and then the system will immediately suggest what kind of disease has occurred and what kind of pesticide must be sprayed on it, and from where the farmer can obtain such pesticides. So all those things will be displayed. So this is the paper of the project where we are basically talking about the convolutional neural network and the methodology how we can implement. So this is actually based on this particular project. This is the result of the final project. And also we are having the complete report for the project, for in which we are having all the UML diagrams and other stuff. So this also represents or discuss says more important features of the project, and this report discusses the project implementation in detail. Also we are having some PowerPoint presentation as well, in which all the UML diagrams and the literature survey, algorithms, proposed system, block diagrams, and general theory about the project implementation is covered. Now, as far as the implementation part is concerned, so this is the complete code where we are having some Python codes and some static and templates folder, in which we are having the front end part where we have developed a web application using the Flask framework of Python for this particular project. And the rest of the folders like my data, rice leaf disease, and this tomato contains the data sets downloaded from the Kaggle in order to train the convolutional neural network model. Now coming back to the implementation, we will be running our project using the VS Code. Now currently it is running through the VS Code, and once it is running on the local server, now we can actually open this local host colon 5000. If you put this on the uh, Google Chrome, we'll be able to see this kind of interface, and this is basically the login page. Now if you're having the credentials, you can directly log in, or if you want to register, you can register from here by putting these information. You can register. Otherwise you can log in from here. Let's say I will be login from here, and then once you log in, so there is one additional facility or the feature in this particular project. So it displays the current date, time and day, along with the temperature and the current weather and the weather forecast. So this is very important for farmers as well. They should be getting the information about the current weather and the weather forecast for the day. So based on that, they can plan their daily activities. And if the farmer wants that this thing to be on the text as a text message on their number, so here is the button. By clicking this button, all this data will be available on the mobile phone as a text SMS. Now in the next page is important. So here the farmer will have to upload the image, and then the prediction will happen. So here farmer has to pick the image. So the farmer will have to visit the project folder, and from that he will have to pick up some image. So let for example, let's we will be picking up some image, let's say from the static folder test image. There are so many images, so I will pick up this image, and then after clicking on submit, that image will appear over here. And once I click on the test button, so the farmer should get the information. Now the farmer gets the information about the disease name plus the fungicide that has to be sprayed, and amount of the the ingredients that has to be mixed to create this particular fertilizer or the fungicide. You have to protect your leaves from this particular disease, and where you can obtain this fertilizer, that information is also available, so you can obtain from this particular shop. So this is all about the implementation of this particular project. So in case you need the uh, report ppts and the codes and its training and even the research paper, then you can check out the description box under this video. Thank you so much.